Hello everyone. I have been receiving a lot of requests on my channel uh, about the notes of the songs that I play. So I have decided to start this new series on my channel to do tutorials on the songs that I have uploaded on my channel. The song I am going to teach you today is Rasatthi Unna Kanadu Nenju. It's composed by Maestro Ilayaraja sir. So before I jump into the tutorial, I would like to give you guys a quick disclaimer that I am still a learner. All the details that I provide while making these tutorials might differ from one person to another person, especially when it comes to chords, because different people tend to have different perspectives towards chords. So don't take my tutorial as the final version of this song. So while learning a song, the first and foremost thing you need to do is identify its root note, as in the Adhar Shadjamam. Adhar Shadjamam is the note on which the song revolves. It is the base for a song. For this particular song, the root note is F, as in Ma 1. And this song, after identifying the root note, by the way, in order to identify a root note, you should have prior knowledge in either Western classical music or Indian classical music. I advise you all to have at least some knowledge, basic knowledge in these fields, so that learning these songs will be easy for you. So after identifying the root note, which is F in this case, we should try to identify the scale in which this song is based in. It can be either based in a Western scale or an Indian raga. Usually film composers tend to take liberty in the songs that they compose, so it's kind of hard to explain an exact raga for a song. We cannot completely say that this is purely based in this raga. It is most of the times broadly based in some raga. In this song's case, in the Pallavi, the notes Ilayaraja sir used are the notes of Natabhairavi ragam, and they go this way: Sa Ri Tu Ga 1 Ma 1 Pa Da 1 Ni 1 Sa. These are the notes of Natabhairavi ragam. You can simply call it an F minor scale because it starts with a minor chord. And in the Charanam, two accidentals have been used. They are Datu and Nitu. So all put together, all the notes used in this song, including the accidentals, are from the melodic scale. Melodic scale is a Western scale and it goes this way. If you convert melodic scale into Indian ragas, its Arohanam is Gauri Manohari and Avarohanam is Natabhairavi. So this is Gauri Manohari. This is Natabhairavi. So melodic scale has two das and two nis. So since this song uses two das and two nis, we can also say that this song is based in melodic scale, or it is also based in Natabhairavi ragam with Datu and Nitu used as accidentals. So the Pallavi goes this way. Sa ga sa pa 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 da pa ma ga ga ma pa ma ga ri sa ni sa ri ma ri sa sa. The chords. This is F minor chord, and this is D sharp major or E flat major chord. So F minor, D sharp major, sari sa ni ni sari ri, sa mari sa ni ni sari ri. A lot of times these songs don't have plain notes, they have small, we call them spuritams or small gamakams. So a few notes are sung rapidly, so it's not mandatory that you should play all those notes while playing on the keyboard or any instrument. We can match them to some extent. So chords: D sharp major, Re ma re ni ni ni. This is still a D major chord. I just played an inversion of it so that it moves along with the song. Da sa ni da ni pa. Here the first da used is da 2 and the second da is da 1. Da 2 da sa ni da ni pa, and the chords are A sharp major, A sharp minor. Charanam. Pani pani ga 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 ri ma ni 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 ni. Chords: F minor, D sharp major, ni sa ri ga ma pa ma ni pa pa ma ga. D sharp major, or if you want to add a bit more weight to the song, you can even do adding a minor chord adds a bit more weight to the song. D sharp major, C minor, D sharp major, G sharp major. Ga pa sa ni da. Chords: G sharp major, A sharp major, da sa ri sa ni pa ni. Chords: G sharp major, A sharp major, G minor. Ni sa sa pa ni sa pa ni sa sa. Chords: F minor, pa pa sa ri sa ni sa ri sa sa. This is ni 2 and the chords are C major, F minor, pa pa ni da da ma 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 da ni da pa. C minor, A sharp major, A sharp minor, G sharp major. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.